What are we making today?
We are making a cocktail based on Arroz con Leche. So I started researching into Bolivia because that's where Singani 63 is made. This is going to be our base spirit today. I'm also a cook, and I saw that they had some desserts that were pretty popular, and I decided I wanted to make like a creamy dessert cocktail, and so here we are.
Do I need a fork?
No.
Okay, let's do this.
Maybe a straw. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of the Singani 63.
Which we love. If you've not been following any of this channel or anything, Singani is the main spirit of Bolivia, brought here by Steven Soderbergh, actually. It had never been sold in America prior to that.
Okay, now we're doing 4 ounces of our rice spice mix.
What's in the rice spice mix?
So I made arroz con leche for my kids, and I just skimmed the milk off the top. So it has whole milk, it has sweetened condensed milk, it has cinnamon, some sugar, and it has a little bit of rice infused into it because I was cooking the rice. So
interesting. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So it's going to have definitely like a mouthfeel to it because the rice is going to give it
the starchiness.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's a big thing. Like, you know, when I'm drinking cocktails, what a lot of people don't realize is one of the great experiences of cocktails is having the mouthfeel, not just the flavor or the scent of the nose. How it feels. You know, some cocktails feel a little oily on the tongue, some feel a little loose, and it's like those are the little things, like the tiny little things that maybe put one cocktail over the top. That's nice. I like this. Shake, shake, shake.
So you can definitely make this milk mixture at home if you'd like, and you don't want to do a big batch of the desserts. I would just do some milk, some cinnamon, some sugar, and maybe throw a little bit of rice in there.
Are you boiling it? How is that?
Yeah, on the stove. Throw a little bit of rice in there and make sure you strain it out.
Okay.
Do some cinnamon in there. I know some people sometimes do clove. I didn't do that, but more power to you.
I think that's fine. I'm not a huge fan of clove. Like I'm a fan. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of clove. I would say clove has its place. I'm fine with that. But it's to me, it's a little overpowering in things. It's great in toothpaste.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's so nice. Kind of warm and inviting. I love the cinnamon. I'm always talking about how I feel the nose is such smelling things is such a huge part of a cocktail or anything in dinner and whatever. And in having the little thing that gets in there and then it all mixes with the palate, and having this little cinnamon stick right here is a beautiful thing. Smelling that immediately, it's already in my scent. It's already buried in there as I sip. Really nice.
It's like an appetizer to the drink.
It is. If you don't know Singani, Singani itself has a sort of floral essence to it. So it definitely has its own little world. And this almost tones it down and makes it really very, very, very drinkable. This is delicious. Fantastic. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
I do. This is great.